Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
Are you happy with the current government of Goa? So तुमच्या ह्या बेसिक क्वेश्चन जो आसा त्या बेसिक क्वेश्चना वेल्यान आमी सुरवात करया.
And I think I would look at this more positively in favor of government rather than against government, because in such trying times when a number of people are dying due to COVID, the way the corona has spread, the way people are actually losing out on their employment opportunities, the way the economy is going down, the way the government is continuously borrowing, I thought the result should have got skewed more towards no. And there must have been at least 75% people at least who should have believed that the government is not doing very well.
खंयचेय मूड जेन्ना आमी assess करता 10% is a big difference. You cannot say 10% is a possibility of error. 10% जर व्हडलो difference as per the statistics जर म्हणटा जाल्यार this is a danger sign. कारण currently it is reflecting what exactly is happening in the state. आज without survey सुद्धा जर तुम्ही जर वचत जाल्यार you know that the mood of the people is not in favor. कारण there have been various factors which have affected public's lives. In terms of employment opportunities, in terms of mining, in terms of uncertainties with regards to some social issues. तुम्ही जर आज खंयचोय न्यूजपेपर गेल्या 6 महिन्याचे पळयत जाल्यार in number of agitations which are coming up, the amount of uneasiness on all fronts, आणि main म्हणजे disappointment with the political machinery.
म्हाका दिसता if 45% of the people are happy, that means it is possible that 55 to 60% could be satisfied.
Expected that the percentage of happiness would be less. But then perhaps people do feel that under the circumstances, the government has done well.
This is important. Is the government of Goa doing a good job in managing the corona crisis? And हांगा पळयात तुम्ही 42% are feeling that government is doing a good job. 58% are saying that the government is doing a bad job.
What is surprising in spite of that, 42% people feel that government is fighting very well with corona. I think there's one more thing that could probably support government here, where the CM has got infected with COVID-19. Which simply shows that that man is in forefront and did not bother about his own life. So,
but if you just look at it, BJP has the highest number of political members. म्हणजे BJP ची पार्टीची मेंबरशिप असा in Goa, it is highest. पण सगळी जर तांची पार्टी मेंबरशिप जर तुम्ही एकत्र केली आणि तांका मिळिल्ले वोट जर एकत्र केले जाल्यार you come to a conclusion that the members also don't vote. म्हणजे डायरेक्टली इनडायरेक्टली tacit ते सगळे almost 32 to 35 लोक एकत्र आसा. तर ताचे एक रिफ्लेक्शन. But in terms of management of COVID, we have to say that comparatively or relatively compared to other states, we have fairly done a good job.
Generally, the people feel that under the circumstances, it's a problem the world over, that Goa government is not doing too badly.